The instrument cluster is a dedicated digital readout, which gives you full control of the gauges and vehicle information. In addition to the speedometer and the driver information center located in the lower center of the display, the cluster provides range and status for electric mode. It's essentially a high-tech battery gauge and a gas gauge that tracks and shows gasoline usage and expected range. There are two modes of operation. The first is electric and the second is extended range. When you're driving in the electric mode, the battery gauge is colorful and prominent in the cluster, and the fuel gauge is grayed out. When you're in extended range, which is when the onboard generator is running, the fuel gauge is highlighted and the battery gauge is grayed out. When driving, you can set the system to provide a simple display, or you can configure the system to show an enhanced view with an efficiency gauge that gives you an idea of how efficiently you're driving the vehicle. The controls for the cluster are located on the instrument panel to the left of the steering wheel. Simply press the config button to access the enhanced view. In this mode, an animated graphic shows a rotating green leaf ball in the center of a vertical gauge. The idea is to keep the sphere balanced in the middle. If the ball turns yellow and travels above the center of the gauge, the vehicle is accelerating too aggressively to achieve maximum efficiency. If it travels below the center of the gauge, you're braking too aggressively to recapture energy from regenerative braking. Using this readout regularly will help you drive more efficiently.